From a very young age, I love visiting the accountant with my dad to learn about the role money played in our lives. This passion continued throughout my life, especially understanding its role during the later part of life when people are transitioning to retirement or assisted living. Many people find entering aged care a challenging and overwhelming experience. Making informed decisions can be difficult during what is already a turbulent and draining time. It can be hard to know where to even begin. Getting advice from a qualified financial advisor will give you clear guidance on making informed decisions for you and your family. Things like Centrelink eligibilities and payments, whether or not to sell your home, and general estate planning are just a few of the things that I can help you with. My name's Rosie, and over the last 25 years in the financial services industry, I've learned just how vulnerable people can be when entering into aged care or retirement. Looking after my own mother's physical and financial well-being during her transition to assisted living really opened my eyes to the importance of having good financial advice during this time. The experience has given me passion to help alleviate the financial worries of families in similar circumstances. I love empowering people to make informed choices for their financial future to help them thrive in retirement. Whether you're looking for financial advice for yourself or a family member who may be preparing to enter aged care, or simply want to know how you can thrive in your golden years, I'm here to help. We'll start by listening to what your specific concerns are, then develop and guide you through a strategy that's easy to understand. Following this, we'll implement the necessary steps to achieve your financial goals. I'd like to give you a free session to develop your financial roadmap. It's obligation-free, won't cost you a thing. Claim your financial roadmap session today and let's secure your financial future.